Markets are in a bullish position for the end of the month. More on that on 3 minutes on Markets and Money. We talked a little bit yesterday about this recent rally back above resistance levels, and that kind of set the markets up here for a bit more of a bullish advance. Now, we also said that markets are overbought here short term, so a bit of consolidation through this current level would not be surprising at all. Yesterday, markets did sell off a little bit. We did break back below the 200-day moving average, but again, we're sitting right on top of the 50-day moving average. There's good support here, and we are starting to see the 20-day moving average now beginning to turn up, and this is a bit more of a bullish turn for that moving average as well. Suggests that prices are gaining a bit of momentum here. Now, as we move into next week, that is the end of the month, but it is also importantly the end of the quarter, which is where mutual funds will now need to rebalance portfolios, particularly after 2 months of this heavy selling. Also, because of the surge in interest rate, bond prices have come down. That also, as the bond side of 60-40 allocation, mutual funds, etc., out of balance pension funds as well. So again, as we go into the end of the quarter, we have to see a lot of these pension funds, hedge funds, mutual funds begin to rebalance their portfolios. This could very well lead to a bit more of an upside push, potentially, in the markets, because again, as we look at positioning for a lot of these major hedge funds, they are very underweight equities at this point. Sentiment has been very negative as well. So there's a lot of positioning that is offsides currently. This end of the quarter rebalancing could provide, now I want to reiterate this, could provide a bit of a lift here for markets into the end of next week. Now, once we get past that balance, I'm not so sure what happens. Again, we have the Fed now talking about doing a 50 basis point increase at the May meeting. We already are starting to see the impact of inflation on economic numbers as well. So again, as we kind of continue to move forward over the course of the next couple of months, the economic earnings environment is going to continue to deteriorate here. That's going to potentially put a lid on prices. But again, as I've said, going into the end of this month, we are a bit overbought here. So again, a bit of a correction, consolidation over the next couple of days would not be surprising. And that would potentially set this market up for a bit of a rally right into the end of the quarter and potentially the first day of the new quarter as we get into it. That's 3 minutes on Markets and Money. See you next time.